Insta360 is a brand that has become synonymous with consumer recently. The 360-degree prosumer cameras have a new folding product that fortunately is not a smartphone. The new application Insta360 VR and Insta360 HoloFrame will give you more options on how to relive those moments. The new and unique EVO camera from Insta360. Double the camera and you'll have the company's famous 360-degree experience, which offers 5.7 Kelvin's 360 of video recording or captures an 18-megapixel 360-degree photo. The characteristics that have consolidated the name of Insta360 in the market. The stabilization FlowState takes care of tremors when it is recorded in 360 degrees, and a new 3D stabilization technology does the same for 180 3D recordings. TimeShift still makes you the director of your own action scenes, and, if you shoot in 180 or 360, the HDR will result in natural and vibrant photos and videos. While the EVO camera is in charge of capturing the moment, Insta360 has developed new ways for users to also revive them. The new Insta360 VR application allows you to directly connect an Oculus Go or Samsung Gear VR to instantly play what the camera sees.